How to make a dotted line in Kittl. It's really easy to get yourself some dotted lines in Kittl. Let's go ahead and remove this. The first step to doing this is make sure you have a project opened and you have your design ready. All you need to do now is just simply head into where we have illustrations. So click on illustrations and then select shapes. You can use these options and then find all the lines and arrows. You should find a few of them here, such as some curves, some arrows. If you do not find the dotted line here, all you need to do is use the search at the top to simply search for dotted line and hit enter on your computer. And now a few dotted lines are going to show up. So just simply scroll till you find the one you'd like to use, which in this case is this. So go ahead and click on it. And you can see here the illustration color is set to blue. Click on the illustration and then head into black. And now we have some black dotted lines that we can easily attach to our edits. And voila, we have a few dotted lines here. All right, guys. So that's how you can get it done.